We made it.
Yeah, well, we made it. Made it to Waste Expo. So here's one of the cool lifts that you can jack your truck up with. Let's see what's underneath. That's cool.
It's pretty strong.
So here we have a new invention made in Sweden. Instead of putting chains on your tire, you would lift this up and lift this switch up. And it would give you traction. That's cool. I see another new fully electric public services up there.
All right, let's go.
Alright. So first I'm going to visit the Ford bulk truck. I have to. Over there. I'll visit those trucks in a minute. I'll visit those ones in a minute.
What do you think?
It's cool.
You approve?
Yep.
Comfy?
Yep.